Do you hate coming home to an empty, deserted house? Believe me, I know what it's like. There's nothing more depressing than the silence of an empty home and knowing that an entire weekend stretches out before you with no chance of companionship. Even though you turn up the TV so it doesn't feel so empty, you can't hide the fact that you're alone. There is no one to talk to, no one to eat with, just emptiness. You feel a deep sense of longing for someone to share your day with, for someone to just put their arms around you and tell you everything is okay. To break free from your prison of loneliness, you need to figure out how to reconnect with the world around you, which isn't always easy. That's why today I'm thrilled to share with you my latest book, Love, Round 2. This easy-to-read book outlines the exact steps you need to take to expand your social circle, meet interesting new men, instantly filter out the losers and the liars, and quickly identify the special individuals who have true relationship potential. So, if you're tired of being alone, just click the Add to Cart button below this video. Remember, you really can break free from the isolation of your empty home and rediscover joy and happiness in life again. All you have to do is follow my proven step-by-step plan for reconnecting with the world around you. So go ahead and click the Add to Cart button below this video now, and I'll mail your copy of Love, Round 2 out to you immediately.